This is fat iron. What does it do? Take a wild guess. Exactly, it irons off your fat, and in only 15 minutes a day. But that's not all. It also irons those stretch marks and saggy skin you get after a diet. And the best thing, it's FDA cleared and it really works. See for yourself. How does fat iron work? Well, just like the iron you know does, a regular iron removes the wrinkles from your clothes by slowly going over them with heat. Fat iron was created with the same concept minus the burning heat. It works to strengthen and tone muscles while smoothing and firming the deeper layers of the skin to give you a beautiful, young, and sculpted look. During the clinical test, the efficiency of fat iron was undeniable. 90% reported fat dimples to be less apparent. 88% reported firmer looking and feeling skin. 89% reported smoother skin. And 89% felt more confident after using fat iron. Now, you could turn to clinical non-surgical solutions because they also really work, but then you'd just be paying thousands of dollars for them to add wires, a massive stand, and a fancy screen to a device that will get you the same results. Fat iron uses the same technology, but instead of expensive bulky machinery, it's affordable, comfortable, for home use, and only requires 15 minutes a day. That's right, only 15 minutes a day. Electromuscle stimulation then sends gentle pulses to firm and tone the muscles while tightening your skin. We even added a special fitness mode that mimics a full fitness workout without the effort. Fat iron will change automatically from warm-up to toning to cool down, giving you similar results as in the gym. If you want to start ironing your fat and wrinkles off, get your fat iron now.
This is your belly. This is your butt. This is how you want your belly. This is how you want your butt. Introducing the Evertone Zip and Tone System, the only belt with dual zipper action and Graphene Max that helps maximize the existing muscle fibers during your session. It uses a new and effective technology called deep neuromuscular stimulation that works all the muscle groups at once for both your abs and butt muscles. And to increase effectiveness, we added the incredible material graphene, super light and super strong. Our Graphene Max tremendously enhances the deep neuromuscular stimulation by supercharging conductivity, helping to activate more muscle fibers, and maximizing your fitness. Graphene Max is unique to the Zip and Tone. You won't find it in any other exercise belt. The Zip and Tone assists in maximizing your muscles. You'll feel the muscles flexing and tightening. By performing up to 770 perfectly measured contractions, it will help you increase the efficiency of your training and help tighten those muscles. The Zip and Tone's innovative zipper design makes it the only neuromuscular stimulation belt designed to help firm, shape, and lift both your butt and abs effectively, with visible results giving you that toned look that you always desired. It's so easy to use. Just open the zipper, strap in, turn it on, and let it work for you. It's really that simple. Choose from 6 unique programs to target where you want. Tapping, quick action pulse, slow action pulse, lifting, love handles, and inner thighs. It comes from Evertone, a leader in the industry. Its engineers, with over 20 years in the field of electronic muscle stimulation devices, have optimized this technology to create advanced deep neuromuscular stimulation. And by adding the dual zipper action, it makes Zip and Tone their most effective and affordable product to date. So if you want to maximize your muscles, getting the lifted and toned look you've always wanted, then get the Evertone Zip and Tone. Your body will thank you.
Nova is a full gym in your hands that enables you to work out where you are right now and enjoy the same benefits as weights without the weight. Powered by our patented SpiroFlex technology with 10, 20, 30 up to 40 pounds of smooth Spiroflex resistance that feels like plate-loaded equipment at the gym. T-handles provide a better grip to control the higher resistance levels and are reinforced with steel tubes. Nova features the same type of nylon-coated stainless steel cables used on health club equipment and the fitness breakthrough no other gym has. Double flex activation, providing resistance to opposing muscle groups within a single movement, building a balanced body in less time. You can expand the range of exercises by anchoring the Nova Gym to your foot or a door. The Nova Gym with Spiroflex technology enables you to fit fitness into your busy life, to get lean and fit anywhere, anytime, home, in the office, or while traveling. Build and sculpt your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. When you join the OYO Fitness community, you're not just purchasing a workout device. You're joining the OYO Fitness Club with access to our vast library of workout videos, including the OYO 10-Week Challenge, in which participants achieved life-changing results.
Staying home may be mandatory, but taking care of yourself, that's voluntary. The all-new Gravitation Ab Wheel Pro makes it easier than ever. It's a full-body fitness gym that fits in a box and ships right to your door. The assembly takes only seconds. Find a flat surface anywhere in your home and you're ready to roll. Gravitation Ab Wheel Pro is totally safe for exercises with an auto rebound system and smart brake that protects you during workouts. Thanks to a multi-layer ultra wide wheel. It's also safe on any home surfaces while providing a mute, damage-free and most effective workout experience. The ultra wide wheel with built-in resistance bolsters each of your high-strength moves. Multi-layer structure brings you the best combo of easy use and noiseless workout. Inside moisture-wicking material prevents absorption of water and sweat. High-grade TPE surface enhances stability to safely stretch in any direction. The hand grips have an ergonomic, streamlined design. The non-slip threads and thumb grooves add stability for sculpting your abs, shoulders, arms, and specifically target those tough to hit obliques. Gravitation Ab Wheel Pro's engine is built with internal powered carbon steel springs, providing smart resistance for optimized abdominal, shoulder, and arm exercises. The internal machine is engined with coil-resistant steel for outstanding resistance when pushing up and smooth rebound assistance when rolling back. The all-new Gravitation Ab Wheel Pro, the best ab wheel ever. It's time now to bring the gym to your home.
This is Jeff, and this is his exercise routine. He works hard to build up his cardio and muscle. He also wants to lose weight, but it takes energy and time to burn away the pounds. Jeff would stay in the gym and continue to fight for weight loss results, but he needs to get to work. Imagine if you could take your weight loss regime home with you to burn calories long after you've left the gym. Now, there is a revolutionary technology that allows you to do just that. Introducing the Thin Ice Vest, a slick wearable embedded with cooling technology that forces your body to burn extra calories. 1.0 Thin Ice Vest is ready for the mass market and is an amazing product that has already started to help people burn calories as they lounge around the house. But we are crowdfunding to raise the capital needed to fund the 2.0 version of Thin Ice, which is sleeker, allowing it to be worn right under your clothing. Imagine being able to take your calorie burning with you anywhere you go. The 2.0 Thin Ice Vest is comfortable and lightweight and will help you shed pounds, even as you sleep. The vest can even wait until you are in deep sleep before activating, so the technology won't make you cold. It will just make you thinner. The Thin Ice Vest is also discreet enough to be worn under regular clothing, so you can use it anytime, day or night. Ice 2.0 has vast improvements, including a sleeker design, hot swap rechargeable batteries, and ability to be machine washed. Thin Ice, the coolest way to lose weight.